there's something called beer belly. Right? Beer belly is celebrated. I know you're familiar with this.
Yeah. It's a very celebrated
And somehow
concept here.
it introduces exemptions in that elite community where they're like, that is a beer belly. I'm not unhealthy. Right? So is beer belly a signal of visceral fat?
Yes. All belly types that lead to you having an increased circumference around your midsection is a sign that you're actually having obesity or that you're predisposed to having obesity. Whether it's beer belly, which is caused from alcohol, and alcohol affects the way your body stores fats, whether it's from excessive consumption or whether it's from genetic factors. So long as you have a mid circumference that's larger in general, that is a sign.
It's a risk factor.
Yes, it's a sign and a risk factor that you might be storing more visceral fat, which then should signal you that you might be in a problem. So that even that beer belly that people usually have and that acts as a differentiating factor between the wealthy and the not so wealthy, as has been in our tradition, is a danger, and people shouldn't be heading that way.